Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Rolls Royce, the epitome of luxury and craftsmanship in the automotive industry. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the history, the engineering, and the sheer opulence that defines Rolls Royce. Right then, let's talk about the Phantom. This, my friends, is not just a car, it's a palace on wheels, a moving fortress of elegance and sophistication. Imagine being chauffeured through London in this behemoth of luxury. Every head turns, every eye follows. The Phantom is all about presence. It commands attention, whether parked or in motion. It's enormous, imposing, and yet, it moves with the grace of a gazelle. A true paradox of power and elegance. Under that long, sculpted hood lies a V12 engine that could power a small country. It's a marvel of engineering. But here's the thing about the Phantom. It's not about brute force, it's about refined power, a silent strength. It's about effortless power, gliding along the road as if on a magic carpet. Smooth, serene, and utterly composed. The interior is where the Phantom truly shines. It's a sanctuary, a haven of luxury and comfort. Forget leather seats, we're talking about hides, sourced from only the finest Bavarian cows, hand-stitched by artisans. Every detail is meticulously crafted. The carpets are deep enough to lose your shoes in, and the wood veneer on the dashboard, a tree died a very glamorous death. It's a blend of nature and luxury, but it's not just about opulence, it's about technology. Cutting-edge features seamlessly integrated into the luxurious environment. You've got more screens than a small cinema, a sound system that would make a concert hall jealous, and enough gadgets to make James Bond envious. It's a tech lover's dream. Despite all this luxury, the Phantom is still a driver's car. It's designed for those who love to drive. The steering is precise, the handling is surprisingly agile for a car of its size, and the acceleration, it's more of a whoosh than a roar. It's a symphony of motion. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is the ultimate statement of success. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle, a symbol of achievement and prestige.